Hi guys, welcome back to Cornelialove Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making rock cake. But first, I got to give honor to my God. I'm going to be reading Psalms 91. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snake of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feather, and under His wing shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and thy buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day, nor for the pestilence that walk in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come near thee. Only with thy eyes shalt thou behold and see the reward of the wicked, because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation. There shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any pigeon come nigh thy dwelling. For he shall give his angel charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hand, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and the adder, the young lion and the dragon shall thou trample under foot. Because he has set his love upon me, therefore I will deliver him. I will set him on high, because he has known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. Amen. So now, guys, I have 2 cups of flour. I have 1 stick of butter, and I cut it up. You could use a mixture, a hand mixer to do this, but I'm just gonna put on my gloves because I wanna make sure it's mashed out in my flour properly. And take out all the lumps. You could use your hand too. Wash your hands properly and use your hands. It feels so nice. I'm going to add all my dry ingredients, then I'm going to add my wet ingredients. Let's make sure you just mash it out properly. So now, guys, as you can see, now I'm gonna add my sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I'm gonna add my 1 cup of coconut. I already grated it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm gonna combine these together. So that you get everything mixing together. And I'm gonna beat my egg. I have 2 eggs. I'm gonna combine some vanilla, 2 tablespoons. it. I'm gonna pour it in. My dry ingredients. I have some raisin. I'm just gonna pour until I feel like stopping. Okay. Then you just combine everything together. I'm gonna combine it and then I'm gonna show you what it look like. So now guys, this is what you want it to look like. I went ahead and greased my baking pan. This batter could make 8 rock cake, and it's simple. You just take out a spoon like this and you just place it on your baking sheet like this. Simple. Put it like that. This is just something easy to do while you're home. You could just enjoy making something sweet that take 5 to 7 minutes to do. And then you bake it for 25 minutes on 350. So I'm going to show you what it look like when I finish bake it. Okay guys, this is what my rock cake look like. Yummy for your tummy. Enjoy. Have a blessed day.